SD Tech is a managed technology services franchise providing IT support, communication systems, and infrastructure solutions to businesses. The brand focuses on helping companies operate efficiently with secure and reliable technology systems. Franchise owners operate a business-to-business technology services company that supports clients with IT systems, network setup, wiring installations, and ongoing technical support. Owners focus on client acquisition, relationship management, and service coordination while following established systems and support processes. Revenue is generated through ongoing managed service agreements, technology installations, and support contracts. The model supports recurring revenue, long-term client relationships, and scalable growth within a technology-driven economy. Franchisees benefit from centralized technical support, established systems, and operational guidance designed to support consistent performance. This is a home-based, owner-operated franchise supported by structured onboarding and training. Franchise owners receive classroom and field training, marketing support, and continued guidance from the SD Tech support team to build and grow their client base. The initial total investment is $91,650. Inside the full info pack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add SD Tech to your top picks and request the info pack today.